JB here, excited you're with me today. I hope you are doing amazing. And I got a quick unboxing. This is the Samsung Ultra 22, S22 Ultra. I'm sorry, S22 Ultra. And you know, that 22 is my favorite number, so that's kind of cool. But I am a big Apple guy. If you watch a channel, I use the iPhone, right? It's right here. And last week I had the Samsung S8 Ultra tablet come in, and I've been using this, and I'm actually really impressed. A thorough review is coming. But I wanted to get this unboxing done because I've never really had a Samsung phone before. I did purchase both these devices. If they don't work out, what I'll do is I'll put them on eBay. I'm going to use them for a couple weeks and see. And I'm going to go all in on this. I'm going to put my SD card in here and give it a shot. But like I said, I've never had a Samsung product. Besides like an S7, I think I had a tablet for a while, but never a phone. So right away, the boxing's pretty cool. Let's get into it and see what it looks like. And I can't remember what color I ordered here, but we've got it here. Here is the phone, and it's a burgundy. It's a burgundy phone. So they've got it all wrapped real good. What I'm really interested in is these cameras, because it has these 3 cameras that are really awesome. And the other thing is this stylus. I've never had a stylus on a phone, or an S Pen, which I saw one thing that was really cool with it is that you can use it to take pictures, you know, which is kind of cool. I can just see me losing that thing. But right off the bat, I mean, I obviously have my case on my iPhone, but I do like the form factor. I hear that a lot of lint gets picked up in here, a lot of dust, so we're gonna have to try that out. But just first out of the box, pretty great. So you have the phone, and I guess that's that burgundy color. Again, very well wrapped in plastic here. Seems to be all covered in plastic, except that, yeah, the front's got a little case on it. Inside, we have a little case here. We've got the SD card, pin, and I don't know if there's a charger. Yeah, there is a charger that would come with it. And we do have a charger cable, and then a quick start guide. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fire it up. Let's go ahead and fire it up, see if I need to charge it. I probably need to charge it first, but and put my SD card in here. I don't even know how to turn this thing on, which is pretty amazing. I've never had one of these before, so I don't want to bore you too much with me kind of trying to figure it out. But let me go ahead and I'm gonna turn it on and get some stuff on it and just give you a really good, like literally first impression here, because I only have it for like 5 minutes. That must be the power right there. So I'll get it turned on. But I gotta tell you, I do like the S8 tablet here. It's awesome. We're gonna go through all of this over the next couple of weeks. But let me get it turned on, plugged in, and then we'll come right back and I'll give you a real quick overview of what I think of the S22 Ultra just right out of the box. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I got it set up. It took me a little while to get set up. It is hot. I gotta tell you, the device is hot. I've been charging it with a big charger for my Apple, so it is a little bit of a hot phone right now. That's the only thing I'll tell you. But I gotta tell you, right now I started playing with the pen already, and I like the fact that there's a lot you can do with it. Not only can you use it on the S8 Ultra tablet, but also here on the phone, which is cool. It's giving me some help stuff here. Really cool so far. Now I just plugged it in. This is just first use of it. I can see myself using this pen a lot for a lot of things. It can do air actions, and I actually think the S Pen is actually the thing that's getting me excited about this device more than anything. Again, it's hot, but I can't wait to use some of the cameras to see how they work. And work with the cameras. That's a big part of why I want this phone. So again, just want to unbox it, let you kind of into the world. I have never been in a Samsung world. Again, feels a little warm. Text messages are working, they're coming in. I'm a little leery. I got to make a couple phone calls here. I'm going to try it out. And then we're going to do a full review on the S8 Ultra combined with the S22 Ultra and then the S Pen. And again, the thing that I really like is being able to use the S Pen on both devices already is pretty cool. So as always, thanks for tuning in for a quick unboxing here and first take. Pretty cool, very warm. Gonna get it really charged up to see if that heat still comes through. And I gotta get a case on it. but gonna give a good week of use, put the SIM card in using both these devices, and we'll come back. Can Samsung finally challenge Apple for my day-to-day use? It's gonna be a fun challenge here as we try the S22 Ultra. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.